On March 21st, Lenovo will introduce the Legion Y900, its new flagship tablet, coupled with a new line of gaming computers. The 14.5-inch gaming laptop features Dolby Atmos audio, a specially developed gamepad adapter, and a 120Hz high refresh mode. The eagerly awaited tablet will also include a 14.5-inch screen and MediaTek's Dimensity 9000 CPU, a 14.5-inch OLED screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio, and a resolution of 3000x1876, is anticipated for the Legion Y900. Additionally, it will offer 120Hz refresh rate and 1920Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, giving players a fluid and engaging gaming experience. The MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor, which powers the tablet, will guarantee top performance and effortless multitasking. A 12,300 mAh battery will be included with the Lenovo Legion Y900 to enable longer gaming sessions without the need for regular recharging. It will have ZUI 15 pre-installed, which offers 10 huge floating window functions and various large-screen optimization features, including the most recent quad-screen function. Users' gaming experiences will be further improved by these software additions, which will offer an unmatched level of immersion and productivity. Lenovo has teamed up with Perfect World to bring the hugely popular Magic Tower mobile game to the Android platform, in addition to the amazing hardware and software features. The game, which was released in December 2021, gained over 10 million new users in its first month, and generated approximately 500 million yuan in revenue. Perfect World's game business, which includes the Magic Tower game, which has undergone explosive growth in both the local and foreign gaming marketplaces, will be the main driver of the company's performance growth in 2022. With its cutting-edge features, like Dolby Atmos audio, a unique gamepad adaptation, and a 120Hz high frame mode, the Lenovo Legion Y900 is ready to change the gaming tablet market. With a potent MediaTek Dimensity 9000 engine, a huge 14.5-inch OLED screen, and a 12,300 mAh battery, the Legion Y900 guarantees to provide gamers with an unrivaled gaming experience. With the inclusion of the well-known Magic Tower mobile game, Lenovo will definitely solidify its position as the industry leader in the gaming space with this flagship tablet. If you are interested in this tablet, write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and luck is definitely on your side.